met earlier also, but I think we have a mainly major discussions last week regarding how we can actually develop a Punjab and Chandigarh ecosystem and all. So we had a very good discussion and came out with some conclusion. So Asim, you are also from Chandigarh. So I've been a Chandigarh guy since days. So I was just 2 months old when I shifted to Chandigarh, and you are from Chandigarh. And we have seen that people calling okay Chandigarh, Punjab, and all is no developed ecosystem because startups develop in Bangalore, Mumbai, or somewhere. But you are a co-founder of Third Unicorn, and so it is developers. You have actually made us proud because you know the things which gives a message to international or national things and all. So how you think your opinion that more things, or I would say ki how your life journey would have been to from a scratch, because people you've been interacting to many international people or national people, how they perceive the image of you can say our ecosystem happening over here.
First of all, thank you for having me on this event. I mean, I've been asked this question quite a lot of times that if Chandigarh ecosystem is evolved enough so that people can recognize outside Chandigarh on pan-India or maybe global level. I think, ecosystem is still evolving. It's in a nascent stage. We don't have any unicorn out of Chandigarh yet, which is, unfortunate part. And if you look at the funding, I don't know any company who have raised more than 100 million based out of Chandigarh. So there are multiple reasons why the system is, or the ecosystem is still in the nascent stage. One can be the resource pool we have here in Chandigarh, or maybe the venture capital ecosystem. So that is the reason where I wanted to really work towards something where we can push this ecosystem to a next level. But yeah, I also agree to this fact to a certain point that the ecosystem is still in the nascent stage as compared to Bangalore, Mumbai or NCR.
Yes. So I strongly endorse it, and so when I left my practice and joined to Punjab Angel Network, I took it over and all. So when I told someone at Punjab Angel Network, he told me, okay, Angel is your daughter's name. So people are getting aware, but like few of the series things are happening now. Ecosystem is developing, and when we joined, the ecosystem started developing. I have read about you. You started your business with 8,000 rupees as a story. So at that time, so if you're starting a business, they say, okay, this is a business. No. So what is you think when you started a business? What was the point of your people 10 years back when you started or more? Ki, okay, this is because ecosystem is just started over in a region. I always say Bangalore ecosystem or something, or US ecosystem, we are 10 to 20 years behind. So how you think when you started a new business at that time, 10 years ago, and people were there to telling you, okay, what are you doing? You should do a job, or maybe you should do a different business, anything. And what people's thought were there, and what is you think now they have changed after you have developed it to this stage now. So what is your thoughts on that?
I think उस time पे मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था when I started my business, the first business with 8,000 rupees. I think था मुझे लगा था मेरी job नहीं लगेगी तो कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. तो maybe that was the reason I started, but it worked out well. I think the things which I learned from the first business is you have to always start small. मतलब you can have a big vision. सबको आज की डेट में यूनिकॉर्न बनाना है या सबको बहुत बड़ा वैल्यूएशन क्रिएट करनी है, बट इट ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्मॉल. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू डू व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम, और उसके बाद थिंग्स विल इवॉल्व ओवर द टाइम. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप गोइंग. तो दैट इज व्हाट आई डिड 10 years back.
So what is the main mood? Maybe it's a so sometimes say when we talk about people getting, so few people startups getting funding and few doesn't get funding, they say उसकी किस्मत बड़ी अच्छी थी, है ना? But I don't think so. That's the there. I think that's the hard work. But what's your opinion on that? Do you think कि getting a money is किस्मत, or is actually the dedication once you invest, or maybe you think startups getting money?
I think no, किस्मत का इतना प्ले नहीं होता. I think when you get funding, obviously you need to have solid business idea, then you need to have traction. Traction के साथ वो scalable भी होना चाहिए, so that if somebody invests, they can get 10x or 20x returns. So there are a lot of factors in play, and Kismat, you can say, when, I mean, according to me, Kismat is being at the right place at the right time. So you need to do a lot of experiments, keep on doing it to be in the right place at the right time. उसको आप किस्मत का नाम दे सकते हो. But yeah, थोड़ा किस्मत, थोड़ा अच्छा आइडिया, मेहनत, smart work, and then you can get. But funding is just a start. I mean, funding is not something, you know, उसको celebrate नहीं करना चाहिए जितना celebrate हो रहा है आज की डेट में. Funding is just start of the journey. And I would actually advise कि funding से जितना दूर रह सको उतना better है, because once you get funding it's like a treadmill. वो एक बार on होगी तो speed उसकी बढ़ती ही जाएगी, because you need to get returns to the investors, and then उसके बाद you need to raise another round and then another round. You just focus on raising the rounds rather than building a good fundamental company on good unit economics. तो वहाँ पे you know एक बहुत बड़ा gap है ecosystem में.
So many startups comes and says, so I'm from a finance background. जैसे कि valuations तो सब ऐसे ही है, valuations नहीं होती है. But I strongly believe valuation is giving value to your stakeholders actually, whether they are investors, whether they are your customers. If you're giving value to any of the people and all, then only your valuations can increase. Otherwise, there's no. So what's your thought on that?
See, there are different perspective to it. Obviously, you need to give value to users, तभी वो आपके platform पे आएंगे. But then giving value to investors is also one of the play. आपके धंधे में जिसने पैसा लगाया उसको return तो देना है value बड़ी करके उसकी. So both go hand in hand. मतलब ये नहीं हो सकता you give only value to users but you cannot give value to your investors. You need to balance it out. All the aspect of the company. So you cannot just give value to users and neglect the investors, or just give value to investors, neglect your client or users.
So any one lesson you think in 10 years? So you have developed at a very young age and from Chandigarh and all developed a company with I believe more than 700 employees in the region, and at a young age, and I think it will soon be multiple expansion and all. And so where you think कि your companies from this region earlier were very small. मतलब I always say mindset of a region is कि अगर if you have a 100 people company, 200 people company यार बहुत तरक्की कर ली है ना. So this is what I have seen mindset कि यार 200 बंदे हो गए ना, इतनी बड़ी कंपनी हो रही क्योंकि 200 employees हैं. So what do you think, what is important role of a mindset in your company, and what you मतलब any comments on mindset or expansion, scalability and all?
I think for expansion, or I think you always need to have a growth mindset. You cannot just बस इतना कर लिया, 100 लोग बना लिए कंपनी के, या इतने पैसे आपने कमा लिए तो then it's enough. There is always a bigger player which you can look up to. So I think base is to have a growth mindset to actually push your boundaries. For example, जब मेरे 100 employees थे तो I was thinking कि मैं इसको 300 पे कैसे लेके जाऊँगा. अगर 300 थे, I was always looking forward to ये 1000 तक कैसे जाएंगे. But then when there were a lot of unicorns in the country, then I started thinking मैं unicorn कैसे बनाऊँ. So this is the thought, this is what we call a growth mindset. So you need to keep evolving, and growth का एक कीड़ा होना चाहिए. I think that is what
that is much more important. That's why I say sometimes people come to me and say कि they have been working since long 3 years day and night. But I believe I always say there is a difference between active and productive. Active and productive. So you can be. So I always tell them right direction where you are going. You need mentors, you need people who can show you right direction. Because even if what they say is that they are active full day, they are working for 16 hours a day. But I tell them active is not important, productive is important. Because that will give you results. Because active and productive, active तो मैं बोलता हूँ कई बारी sometimes कि एक मजदूर भी 16 घंटे active रहता है अगर वो काम करता है. हम ये नहीं कहते वो मेहनती है. Right direction with the help of mentors, peoples. So what do you think कि any startup needs a good mentor? So my ultimate point is कि any business or anything, so do you think any mentor is important, or a startup as an individual can grow himself?
I mean, I've personally had a lot of mentors, तो मेरे लिए वो workout नहीं किया. Mentors का ये तो वो ज्ञान ज़्यादा देते हैं और उसका कोई value होती नहीं, because you get confused. आपका mind कुछ कह रहा है, mentor कुछ कह रहा है. and you're not able to decide करना क्या है. So I mean, if you look at all the successful entrepreneurs, and see now, I mean, now I have that circle where I've been meeting top entrepreneurs of this country. So one common denominator which I have found in all the founders, कि वो बहुत ज़िद्दी होते हैं. उनका आइडिया अच्छा हो, बुरा हो या जैसा भी हो, उनके लिए वो बेस्ट है. एंड वो उसके ऊपर इतने फोकस्ड होते हैं, जैसे मतलब अर्जुन वो आंख के साथ वो वाला हमने सुना है महाभारत का, उतना फोकस होता है उनका. सो दैट इज अ कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर इन ऑल द फाउंडर्स विच आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो यू नीड मेंटोर्स, यू जस्ट नीड अ फोकस, you need a vision to build a great
so
company.
maybe I take always example when any startups and all comes in, they are sometimes confused कि अच्छा ये मेरे स्टेक्स भी ले रहा है मेंटर आके, तो ये को फाउंडर हुआ मेरा कि मेंटर हुआ कि मेरा इन्वेस्टर हुआ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. तो आई जनरली टेक अ एग्जांपल कि भाई अगर आपको यहाँ से दिल्ली जाना है, पहले अम्बाला भी आएगा, करनाल भी आएगा, कुरुक्षेत्र भी आएगा, जाना आपने ही है गाड़ी में, है ना. लेकिन अगर अम्बाला जाके समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मेरे को लेफ्ट मुड़ना था, राइट मुड़ना था, फ़ोन करके पूछ लो कि मैं सही जा रहा हूँ कि नहीं जा रहा हूँ. दैट अ मेंटर कैन गाइड यू कि ठीक है यहाँ से किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. लेकिन अल्टीमेट मेहनत जो करनी है, चीज़ें करनी है, आई थिंक दैट स्टार्टअप जो फाउंडर जो आपने माइंड सेट रखा कि वो स्टार्टअप को ही करनी होती है, उसी का है. दे आर जस्ट शोइंग यू द डायरेक्शंस वेयर दे कैन गो.
अदरवाइज इंडिया में ज्ञान देने के लिए तो बहुत हैं.
So I was listening to one guru कहते हैं इंडिया में डेवलपमेंट. सो आई ऑलवेज से एज ए इकोसिस्टम कि ना स्टार्टअप का बड़ा भाई कौन, MSME. और बड़ा भाई कभी भी अपने भाई छोटे भाई को ये नहीं कहता मुझे नहीं आता, क्योंकि वो कहता है वो तो रोल मॉडल समझ के है. तो उससे को पूछता अच्छा स्टार्टअप क्या, कहता है यही होता है, बिजनेस कर लेते हैं, स्टार्ट कर लो बिजनेस. स्टार्टअप तो मैं बोलता हूँ स्टार्टिंग अप अ बिजनेस, दैट्स नॉट अ स्टार्टअप. बट वो ज्ञान देता है और उसको लगता है हाँ यही सब चीज़ है. तो ज्ञान इन अ सेंस कि वो एक देवर सम गुरु हु सेइंग कि यहाँ पे किसी से भी ज्ञान मांग लो, उसकी ईगो से उसको होता है, तो वो कहता है यार ज्ञान किसी ने मेरे से मांगा है, so he feels very satisfied. तो इसलिए वही कि हर कोई कहता है कि हाँ मैंने देखा है. So you know, so once we are in some WhatsApp groups also, I am from a finance background. So people from IT background just start commenting on finance things and all कि इसमें ऐसा करना, which is way far away from finance side. है ना. And people are just discussing X, Y, Z and all जिसका आसपास है. तो मुझे लगता है मैं घुसूँ बीच में, बताऊँ ना बताऊँ समटाइम कि वो इतनी फार अवे चीज़ों से हैं, बट एवरी ज्ञान देने किसी ने पूछा है तो उसने उसको ज्ञान देना और वो गलत दे रहा है, दूसरा मान भी रहा है, उसको एक्सेप्ट भी कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज वेरी, आई थिंक मे बी पीपल सिटिंग इन ऑडियंस, आई थिंक वी शुड शो द डायरेक्शन. आई स्ट्रांगली, अतुल सर इज देयर, वंस अतुल मेहता सर वाज देयर एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग. मैंने कहा सर आप ना सेल्स साइड से एंड ऑल, आप इसमें कंसल्टिंग करो. कहते नहीं मैं सेल्स का हूँ, मेरे से सेल्स पूछना तो पूछो, IT की चीज़ें पूछी ना तो मैं नहीं जवाब दे सकता. सिंपल, ना मेरे से पूछो ना मैं करूँगा. सो आई थिंक दैट शुड बी राइट कंटेक्स्ट कि जो बंदा कह रहे जो इतना आता उसको वो बोले कि ये मेरे को आता है, इसके बारे में मेरे से कुछ भी पूछ, लेकिन दूसरी चीज़ों के बारे में ज्ञान मत.
एग्जैक्टली. सो आई वुड से फेलियर इज योर बिगेस्ट मेंटोर. तो अपने फेलियर से ही सीखो. इफ यू विल ट्राई टू हैव मेंटोरशिप ऑल ओवर, उससे क्या होगा बेसिकली देयर वुड बी लॉट ऑफ नॉइज एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग काफ़ी पुअर हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाट माय एक्सपीरियंस इज.
Yes. So coming now to the startups ecosystem and also we recently, so actually last meeting we had on 22nd March, we have a transform event where we actually showed interest of people investing around 10 crore of rupees investment in the region, and so the people welcomed and all, and they showed their interest and all, and we recently met, and actually the things developed in that way that we collaborated to announce a bigger fund so that we can make this region a much bigger. So what's your comments and how you think कि this will create an impact in this region? How we together can actually create an impact in this region?
So Sahil came up with a proposition that he want to launch a fund with 20 CR and
yes.
I was like पंजाब बहुत बड़ा है और ये इकोसिस्टम को अगर बढ़ाना है तो 20 करोड़ से नहीं होगा. So let's do something big and let's collaborate together to launch at least 100 CR fund to push this ecosystem to next level. So we'll be actively investing startups in this region and we'll try to not only invest but to give I mean so-called mentorship and try to
Right direction.
Yeah, try to give them direction and try to actually connect them with the VCs. जिससे उनका next round भी raise हो. So that is the vision we have for this fund.
Yes. So that's why I always tell them that we have connected with Sydney investors. They start a minimum investment from 1 million, but they always say minimum 5 million is the ticket size. And there are many other VCs sitting over here also. So I think मैं ये बोलता हूँ right time पे right exit. क्योंकि अगर एक स्टार्टअप अच्छा चल रहा है, स्केल कर रहा है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ फंडिंग नहीं मिली, तो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम है. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ चेन कि एक बार आप शुरू हो जाओ, वी कैन सपोर्ट यू टू द ऑल levels. If your concern is only funding but you are ready to go to market, we are there to support you.
Exactly.
So that's why, or so how much I researched it and all, I didn't find single fund in our region, not even a single fund, private fund, sorry, not all are जितने वो हैं वो सब government supported है, यानी government is backing them up, government is there, but not even a single private fund. And I think coming with the first private fund, SEBI regulated, AIF, and that's our plan. We have to, so it's actually, frankly speaking, we discussed last week only. So we have to work out, but we have decided this week go and we work out how that fund is going to be implemented, and as soon as possible that fund will be here in a region. That's the first fund. So that's, I think, strong connect with Asim and I have collaborated together to make it a much bigger this region. So any comments, any I think you think how's it about the Punjab region? How's the Josh? So how's the Josh is the tagline, but I think so yes, I think do you think it will help you all? आवाज कम आई है, अभी लंच टाइम दूर है थोड़ा. Do you think it will help our ecosystem? तो मेरा टारगेट ये था कि भाई लोग सब बोलते हैं कि यार ये बैंगलोर से 15-20 साल पीछे है, मुंबई से पीछे है, तो ये पीछे नहीं रहने देना हमने. अब हम बहुत ही जल्द उनके बराबर होंगे. So that's my commitment, है ना? That's our commitment कि हम इसी को ऐसे कर देंगे, कोई ऐसा लगे कि नहीं यार वो पीछे रह गए, ये तो बैक साइड है, ये चीज़ें हैं. We have to make it a big, and we can make it big with all your support only. We'll be launching a fund, but we need your support for your funds also, for your investments also, for your support to guidance of people also, and we can collaborate. So any final thoughts on this plan of action or anything, any comments on this?
So I think the only goal is to have one unicorn from our region. तो बस यही एक
एक यूनिकॉर्न तो आप बना ही लोगे पहला, सेकंड की बात करते हैं.
सेकंड की बात, सेकंड यूनिकॉर्न.
Yes. So maybe thank you so much. I think we should celebrate this, and thank you for your support, and with all your support we'll be coming up with that.